Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can select the best offers from clickbank.com. In my last video I told you about clickbank.com and I showed you how you can create a account here, and I just created a new account in this network, and as you can see, a new account for showing you how much money I can make from this new account. Right now you can see I have made $0. You see, everything is zero because this is a very new account, and I told you that I am going to show you my real case study. So right now I am at the stage of $0. I don't know how much money I will be making after this training, but I will try my best. I will show you what I do for promoting a product, and I'm going to show you everything live, how I really make money. So this is really a challenge for me. Alright, so first thing first, we need to select the best offers from clickbank.com, and as you can see, when you log into clickbank.com, and here you will come marketplace. As you can see in the left side, arts and entertainment, betting system, business and investing, many other niches, but you don't exactly know which product you should select first. You don't know anything about niche, anything about categories, and you don't know which product is really gonna convert for you. I'm going to show you my rules how to find the best offers when you work at Click. When you click here, find products, and make sure you click on this first. Alright, and we're going to do some filter. So basically, a product which has the gravity above 50, that means that is a good product. Above 50 gravity score. So what is gravity? Actually, gravity means number of affiliates are making good sales or getting good amount of money promoting the best offer, and that shows the best gravity score. So I'm going to filter some here. First, English, definitely English, and must have affiliate tools page. All right, and now we are going to select gravity. Okay, and now you can see we found the best offers, and um, that matches our conditions. All right, so you can see the red tea detox, it has the best gravity score above 216. So that means it is a very good product, and you also make sure that this product has a high demand in the marketplace. Also, there are a lot of competitors. Many affiliate marketers are promoting the same products. So yes, once the product has a very high competition, that means that is a good quality product, and we also have the best chance to get sales if we promote these products. I want to tell you one more thing, that the best three evergreen niche, health, wealth and relationship. But when you work at clickbank.com, make sure you choose either health or wealth, because these two are the most high converting offers, and you can get sales if you promote these products. So for my challenge, that you saw that now my account balance is $0. So I'm going to pick the niche, health niche, and I'm going to select the best offers. Let's say I'm going to promote this one, the red tea detox, and here is another, this one and this one. So I'm going to choose 2 or 3 products which is related to health niche, and I'm going to promote this offer. So this is how you can also find the best offers from clickbank.com. And for my challenge, I already picked these 3 products. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you more details about this product so that I can create my marketing plan. So for now, thank you very much.